Hello friends, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I have reused some of the discarded plastics to create some beautiful decor for this Diwali festival. So let's start. For the first DIY, I'm just going to paint this elephant which I had from long time. Actually, this is a toy of my daughter. So I just painted the base with yellow acrylic color. Then I'm using here teal chalk paint. You can even use acrylic paint. After it is completely dried, this is how it will look, and I'm going to make some designs, random design with this 3D Fevicryl outliner. So the 3D outliner is completely dried. I am taking a brush along with some water and black acrylic color, and I am just painting this elephant like this, and then I will remove the extra paint with the help of a cloth. And then I am going to apply some gold acrylic paint with the help of my finger. This will create a beautiful metal effect for this elephant. So after the elephants are completely dried, this is how they look. And I'm just going to place some LED candles, battery operated ones, on the top like this. You can apply a layer of varnish for longer durability. Since we have used gold acrylic paint, it gives a beautiful shine to these elephants. So for the next DIY, I'm taking here the cap, which is a feeding bottle cap. The feeding bottle got broken, so it's a discarded plastic. So I'm just using this 3D outliner to make some random design here. After the outliner is completely dried, I am going to apply glass colors with the help of a brush. Before the glass colors are completely dried, I am just going to tap them like this. It will create some texture. If you want, you can avoid the step. And this is how it's completed. Let's place a LED candle in it, and you can see how beautiful it looks. For the next DIY, I am taking here this bamboo sticks, M seal, and a discarded plastic. So I am going to mix the parts of M seal, and I am going to stick this plastic to the bamboo stick like this with the help of M seal. I'm just going to attach some small pieces of bamboo stick like this with the help of M seal. So after this, I will allow it to dry completely, and then I'm just going to spray paint it to gold. And here is the final look. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. You can even use hot glue gun or Fevibond in the place of M-Seal. For the next DIY, I am taking here this another piece of discarded plastic and I am just going to make some designs with this 3D outliner. Now I am going to make some 4 balls like this with air dry clay and I am just going to stick them to the base. After the clay is completely dried, I am just going to paint the base ones in gold acrylic color. So this is the complete look of this DIY. I have also painted the inside portion with yellow acrylic paint. So now for the next DIY, I am taking another discarded plastic. I am just going to paint it with black acrylic color like this. Once the black color is completely dried, I am just going to apply gold acrylic paint with the help of my fingers. I have also painted the inside portion with black acrylic color and I made some dots using this 3D outliner. Then I am going to take this water can cap which I am also going to paint with black acrylic color. Now I am going to stick this water can cap and this plastic together and I am going to make some designs on the water can cap with the help of 3D outliner. And that completes our DIY. So for the next DIY, I am taking here this OHP sheet in which I am going to draw some circles with the help of bangle and I have cut it. And I am going to use glass colors. Try to do without any bubbles. It's fine if some bubbles are there. Allow it to dry completely. Now what I have done is I have taken this OHP sheet which is completely dried. I am just going to flip the side and I am going to start sticking some stones. So you can see a beautiful rangoli for our Diwali is ready. Even though a lot of them are available online, whatever we do with our hands are always special for us, right? So for the next DIY, I am just going to do a lotus for which I have taken a red chart paper in which I cut some petals and a round shape like this. I am just going to stick these petals to this round shape in this manner. So I'm just making the outline with the help of this 3D outliner. So that completes our DIY. For the next DIY, I am going to create some wall frames, for which I have taken these 2 pieces of cardboards and some discarded clothes along with the border which I had for a long time. I am going to stick this cloth in this manner. Before that, I am just sealing the sides with the help of masking tape, and I am going to stick this cloth like this. And for the borders, I'm just going to use the border cloth which I had from long time. I did not use it for longer time, so I thought of using it over here. So now I am taking air dry clay which I am going to stick like this. And these are my hat pins which I am going to just put them here because I am not using them, so I thought of reusing them. So do let me know what you guys think about this traditional wall decor in the comment section below. In this video I have shown totally 10 DIYs. I hope these will be useful for you guys. If they are useful, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you guys try any of these, do share it with me on Instagram or FB. I have given the links to my Instagram page and Facebook page in the description box below. For the next DIY, I am just going to paint this urli. So for that, I am just using some acrylic colors. After the paint is completely dried, I am just going to make some design with geometrical shapes. And I am just using this 3D outliners to give some detailings. And that completes our urli. After it is completely dried, do apply a layer of varnish for longer durability. And here comes our last DIY, for which I have taken another discarded plastic and I have spray painted it in gold. And I am just going to stick these foam flowers with the help of hot glue gun. These foam flowers are easily available in any stationery shops. And I am just going to stick some pearls over here. And that's it, our simple and easy DIY is complete. Hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys liked it, please give a thumbs up and also do share it with your friends and family, and also please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon to get notifications of all my future videos. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye.